How to use DaVinci Resolve for green screen editing. Open DaVinci Resolve. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve application. Go to the Edit tab. Click on the Edit tab in the interface. Add your green screen clip. Either drag your green screen clip into the media panel or drag it directly onto the timeline. Go to the Effects panel. Click on the search bar and type Key. Drag and drop the 3D keyer effect onto your green screen clip in the timeline. Select your green screen clip. Go to the Inspector panel. Click on the Open FX tab. Select the eyedropper tool. In the preview window, click on the green color to select it. Click on any remaining green areas to remove them. Your green screen will now turn black. Go back to the Inspector panel and the Open FX tab. Scroll down to find Matte Finesse. Adjust the clean black values until the green screen is completely black. Set Clip Black Values. Adjust the clip black values to ensure the green screen is perfectly removed. Preview your output. You can check your final output with black, white, or gray backgrounds. Add a new background. Let's add a good background. If the first one doesn't look right, try another until you find one that works. Adjust clip settings. In the Inspector tab, you can change the position, size, and direction of your clip as needed. Now you should have a perfectly edited green screen clip with your chosen background.